Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my English channel, Elite English Club, and today I brought for class 12th new chapter Lost Spring Stories of Lost Childhood from Flamingo book, and this is the second chapter. I would like to share you that my Hindi version videos are also available on my channel. So keep watching and let's start the chapter. First of all, we will know about the author. Anis Jung, who is a Dominion of Hyderabad and born in 1944, is an Indian woman, author, journalist, and columnist who has done major newspaper work in India and abroad as well, whose most noted work, Unveiling India 1987, was a detailed chronicle of the lives of women in India. It is noted especially for the depiction of Muslim women behind the parda. Now we will see the introduction of the chapter. This story, Lost Spring, describes the pitiable condition of poor children who have been forced to miss the joy of childhood due to the socio-economic condition that prevails in this man-made world. These children are denied the opportunity of schooling and forced into labor early in life. Anis Jung gives voice to eliminate child labor by educating the children and to enforce the laws against child labor by the governments strictly. The call is to end child exploitation and let the children enjoy the days of the spring that bring joy under their feet. So, the author tells us stories of her interactions with children from deprived backgrounds. She describes their poor condition and life in an interesting manner, which captivate the reader. The story touches the reader and is thought-provoking. The author described two of her encounters with children from deprived backgrounds. Through them, she wants to highlight the plight of street children forced into labor early in life and are denied the opportunity of schooling. And also, she brings out the callousness of society and the political class towards the suffering of the poor. The first encounter is with a rag picker boy named Sahib Alam. Sahib Alam do not know the real meaning of his name, who migrated from Bangladesh in 1971 and lives in Simapuri in Delhi. These rag picker children look for valuable things in the garbage, like a coin or torn shoes or any other thing which belongs to cloth or something else, which are precious as gold for them. They could hardly manage some food for themselves. Other things like identity, education, shoes, and sports are their unfulfilled dreams, which they have never seen, even they did not imagine. Their parents scrounged the garbage searching for things which helped them survive, afford food, clothing, and shelter for the family. Because of that, they want to help to their children. The children hunted through the garbage heaps looking for things which could partially fulfill their unfulfilled dreams. One day, the writer saw the boy holding a steel cane going towards the milk booth. He had got a job at a tea stall. Now, Saib Alam is doing the work in a hotel. He was happy that he would get 800 rupees and all the meals. The writer noticed that Sah had lost the freedom of being his own master. which he had enjoyed as a rag picker. Now he could not move without the permission of his boss or hotel owner. So his all liberty has now snatched. The second boy was Mukesh, who belonged to a family of bangle makers in Firozabad. The boy had a dream of becoming a car mechanic. On the contrary, his family was traditionally engaged in bangle making, although the profession harmed them physically and they hardly earned any money out of it. Still, no one dared to dream of doing something else due to the fear of the police and the middleman. The family elders were content that, other than teaching the art of bangle making to their children, they had been able to build them a house to live in. The boy wanted to be a car mechanic. Cars were all that Mukesh had seen on the roads of his town, and so he could not dream any further. He has a limited life, so he dreamt only that what he saw in his daily life. So, this was the description of Lost Spring as Mukesh and Saibe Alam, both guys had lost their dream, even they did not dream a big dream, so that they can effort for or to fulfill their dreams. And author is just think about it and to work on it. So this was the chapter, and I hope you liked the story. And my Hindi version video is also available. If you want to see Hindi version video, you can watch. And thank you. Till then, take care.